Well, hello everybody and welcome back. It's time for just a deal, or just the deals, because there are so many, and you want to know. So come on in, like and share the video on your way, and please, 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 share it. Share it to anybody and everybody. Share it to people you don't even know. I love you bunches, guys. Thank you very much. And if you're new and you're just stopping by, well, you too, go ahead and share it. Your friends are going to love you for it. Go ahead and subscribe. You're going to love it here. We're going to save you tons of money. Okay? Just saying. And if you're curious as to how, go back and watch a couple of our other videos for the week. We do a video almost every single day, if not sometimes twice or 3 times a day, depending on what's going on. But you always get your deal every day, along with plenty of love and blessings. Alright, guys. You know the rest of the spiel. Please leave me that 3-word comment that YouTube likes so much. Let the video play all the way to the end. That's really, really important, just so you know. And let those ads play through. I mean, if I start to bore you, just cut the sound down and walk away. Please and thank you. Not just for me, but all of your creators. You do not know how important you are to us. Okay? Because we don't do this just for what they pay us. Because that's almost a joke anymore. Okay? We do it because we like talking. In some cases. We like sharing in other cases. Some of us don't have anybody else to share it with. And this is how we find like-minded folks. That's the case here. So all of you are really my friends. So thank you for being here for me. And thank you for showing me all that love while I was doing that little spiel. So let's talk about just the deals. Because we have so many. There may be a couple of videos for you to watch before you go tomorrow. Hopefully they will be in early activation. I have not heard yet about it. But let's talk about these real quick. Now these pretty much are, I want to say, a no-brainer. You could actually take and do, really, this one and either one of these. This is, I believe, the better deal between the two. Okay? So here we've got 9, here we've got 6. And if you need Ritz crackers, we've got 7, okay? You could do the 2 liters. You could just do everything right here if you needed to and make your own little scenario and still save money, okay? Because here you're getting a free box of cereal. Here you're getting free chips and $3 off. And here you're getting 2 liters. So, yeah. But I made you some deals. And so let's talk about the deals that I made for you. And this is what Just the Deals is about. It's about me putting together some scenarios, a variety of scenarios that you've asked for, that you need help with, and having them available for you Friday. So it's just a lot of deals, guys. Instead of one deal, it's a lot of deals. So let's get to it. Now, we've got one that asks for baby stuff. So here's your baby deal. And just so you know, heads up, while I'm looking for these, there's notes on here of little things like the Little Debbie's Nutty Buddies are on sale for $2.75. So if you like the Nutty Buddies, they're on sale for $2.75. Include them in one of your scenarios. Use them as a replacement for something. Now, here we've got several different coupons for diapers. So whatever your diaper preference is, you're going to have to incorporate it. And in most of the cases, 1 or 2 packs of these diapers is a whole scenario in itself. So you would save $5 plus whatever the coupon is. However, we do have one coupon that's expiring today. That's the Love's Diapers. It is the cheapest one. It is $8 with $2 coming off. Now, this is the Nestle coupon. Save 5 when you spend 15. It applies for the baby food as well as other Nestle products. So you're going to pick up the Gerber baby food, or excuse me, not Gerber, Beech Nut baby food. You're going to pick up 4 of them for $1.50. 2 of the baby cereals, the 2 different types, rice and oatmeal, I believe. And then you're going to wander over to the freezer department and pick up some Hot Pockets for yourself or for your other kids. There's a 4-pack of pepperoni Hot Pockets for $2.50. That's going to put you at your $15 mark and give you your 5 off. Okay. Next, we've got your Kotex liners. They are glitching. Pick up 2 of them for the $2 off. Now, if you don't have those, you can do the other Colgate coupon. We have 2 Colgate coupons for $2.50. Excuse me, guys. And you're going to use one of them in this scenario for the toothpaste for $4.25, $2.50 coming off. Now you're at $29.75. You need $30 because that $5 off is another store coupon. So you need $30 to pick up something else for $1 if you want to. Use another coupon, get another item. If you want to use another Airwick or something like that, throw a Palmolive in there. Anything you want to get you to that $30 mark. But with just adding $1 off the dollar aisle, whatever it may be, paper plates, whatever it may be, you're looking at $30.75. You got $16.50 coming off on coupons, leaving you out of pocket of $14.25. Now this is a winner chicken dinner, guys, because basically all that stuff that you bought, okay, for the baby cereal and stuff, that was $15. And you're paying $14.25 for everything. So this is an awesome deal. Of course, all of these deals are 5 off 25 scenarios since today is Friday. Now, this one right here is personal care. We've got L'Oreal hair products, 2 for $10. So we've got $3 off. You're going to pick up that. The Schick razor, men's is $7. So if you do that one, a little bit more out of pocket. The women's is $6 or $3 off. Airwick warmer. Okay, now this is the prize right here. If you can find them, it's a big, big filler. So if you have it, use that warmer wherever you want to get your cheapest out of pocket. Replace that warmer with something. Replace something with that warmer. Next, we got the Colgate toothbrush and toothpaste. The toothbrush is a charcoal one. It's $3.35. Now you are at $27.60 with this one right here, and $20 is going to be coming off, leaving you $7.60 out of pocket. And basically, this is because this is the shampoo I use, and this would be the deal that I would use to get my shampoo cheaper than $10. Because I'm going to buy this anyway. I need it. And even if I went and bought it all by itself, just, in the middle of the week, and paid the $10 minus the $3, it would still be $7. Okay? So, for $7.60, I'm getting all this other stuff. Next up, we've got the 2 Palmolive dish for $5. You got $1 coming off. The Mr. Clean Magic Eraser for $3.50. That $2 attaching to it. The Dawn dish for $5. You got a $2 attaching to it. And if you got the paper coupons, that $3 will work. And the Bounty paper towels for $6 equal $15. As you can see, I'm trying to stay away from the Scott deal simply because we don't want to encourage them with that $20. So the Bounty paper towel gives me pretty much the same deal, $3 off when I spend the $16.75, but it's all paper towels, which is what I need more of. So I am at $30.25. Yes, this out of pocket is a little bit big. And of course, you can remove the Palmolive if you want to. And the out of pocket would be $4 cheaper if you remove the Palmolive. So here we have $13 coming off, leaving you $17.25 out of pocket, which is just $1, a little less than $1 more than your paper towels. Like I said, you can remove the Palmolive dish, and that would make that $12.25. And as you can see, I kind of revamped the deal a little bit, still with the paper towels, because again, this is something I'm going to go after. And I want it as low out of pocket as I can get it, so I'm going to use my Airwick warmer, my Febreze small spaces, and one of the Palmolive dish, because you only need one to save that $1. Okay? So $26.75, $15.30 is coming off, leaving me out of pocket of $11.45. Now this is the deal here for the paper towels, unless you need all the other items. Now, we have this deal right here, and just so you know, there is a Z-Quill glitch. So if you use Z-Quill, or you need a filler of that kind, it is normally not attaching to the $4.35, but the $2 coupon is attaching to the $4.35. So that's available to you as a filler. Now on this one, you're going to pick up the Irish Spring Body Wash for $5.35. You got a $2 off. Your Dove Men's for $5.50. You got a $3 off. Your Dove's Women Body Wash or Bars for $7.50. You got a $3 off. Your Colgate Mouthwash for $5.85. You got a $2.50 off. And your Airwick Warmer, you're at $28.20. Again, you're a little over. So, but that's because of your free warmer. And you got $19 coming off, leaving you $9.20 out of pocket. Winner, chicken dinner all day long. But however, yeah, that would be about the only product that you could pull, unless you did not do the mouthwash and did the toothpaste or toothbrush instead for the Colgate product. And of course, your out of pocket would be less. Now, this is for the Purina $8 coupon. I had requests for all dog food. And the cheapest all dog food way I could come out with is this one right here. This is 3 of those 13-pound bags of Purina High Protein. You got $2 earns up to 3 times. So you're going to pick up 3 of them. That gives you $41.97. That gives you enough to give you your $8 off and your $5 off. Okay? So you're at $13 coming off. You're walking out of the store spending $28.97 for 39 pounds, which you paid that for 30 pounds, okay, usually. And then you're going to earn $6 back, so a final out-of-pocket of $22.97 for all dog food, okay. I'm probably going to go pick up this deal myself. So I'm looking at doing maybe 4 transactions, including the Diet Coke transaction, which is not on here. So let's talk about the sodas really quick, because that's going to be the last thing. Soda deals. These are almost a given. Alright? We do them so often, but we have new people. So let's tell you how you save so much money buying soda at Dollar General. You're going to pick up, if you use Coke products, pick up 3 12-packs, because one of those is pretty much, it is free, and then some. So pick up 3 of those. And then you're going to pick up 3 of these. Okay? Now, if you've not used your 3-off coupon for your Lay's, you can incorporate that in this last little deal. If you have, again, no big deal, because what we're after actually is the drink products. But if you did, or you do still have that coupon, you can pick up any of these chips that you want to, or you can pick up the Munchies, or a can of the mini Doritos, but make sure you scan, and whatever you scan, make sure it attaches. Okay, scanning is so important before you go to the register. So we're just going to go on the assumption of the Coke products, 3 for $15, and 3 of these Mountain Dew and Pepsi bottles for $12, okay? That puts you right at $27. And that's going to give you $5 off, okay? Right there. Makes that $22 on all of those sodas. Now, if you have the other coupon, of course, your out-of-pocket will be less. Now, if you just want to do all Coke products, you're going to be at $30. $5's going to come off. You'll be at $25 out-of-pocket. But either way it goes, the savings on both of those deals are phenomenal. If you do the double Coke products, your savings is $20, $25, because you're getting 2 12-packs for free, and you're getting $5 off. So $25 is your savings on the all Coke, and then your savings on this one would be 16, right around $21. So yeah, winner, chicken dinner. with soda on top. Alright, guys. Blessings. I hope you had time to make notes, but if you didn't, you can simply go back and stop the video and screenshot. So, love you bunches. Enjoy the sunshine if you have it where you're at, because I got some today. And I'll see you again real soon, hopefully with an early activation. Blessings.